Hello, I Priyanka Chaturvedi on behalf of Guru KPO welcomes you. Today our topic is bullet theory of mass communication. There are many theories of mass communication by which we can develop our communication skills. Mass means a group of people and communication means a process by which we can share our ideas, our views, our thoughts and our knowledge. So mass communications means the process by which we can share our ideas, our views, our knowledge and our thoughts in a heterogeneous, anonymous masses of receiver. According to the bullet theory, communicator plays a very important role in the process of communication. He only decides the size, the form, the necessity and the medium of message, and the receiver do not play any role in the process of communication. For example, in an advertising agency, there are three main persons. First is producer, second is consumer and third is marketing agent. According to this theory, marketing agent does not advertise according to the necessity of consumer, but he tries to generate the necessity of consumer with the help of producer. In other words, we can say that mass communication tries to move the interest of consumer according to their necessity. The hypothesis of this theory is if the goal is decided, the communication will be on the right path. Means if we know what we have to communicate, the communication will be on the right path. Receiver is inactive. He has no his personal thought. He has no his personal vision. And he accepts all the information which we give to him. But this theory is also named as hypodermic needle theory. But there are some limitations of this theory. This theory said that receiver do not play any role in communication process, but it is wrong. Receiver are human being and every human being has his own ideas, his own view and he give a special meaning to every information or every knowledge which he get from sender. For further details, please log on our website www.gurukpo.com.